Welcome to this lecture. Introduction to jQuery. We'll see about jQuery in this lecture. jQuery is open source JavaScript library that simplifies the interactions between web page or more relevant document object models, that is DOM objects and JavaScript. It will be functioned by calling JavaScript, and the functionality we can avail the ready-made building tools with the help of jQuery library. jQuery simplifies HTML document to browser event handling, DOM animations, AJAX interactions, and cross-site browser JavaScript development. Cross-site browser means anywhere. It can be like a supports in Google Chrome web browser, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator. Likewise, it will support many browsers. Make note of this scripting program is the only library is available today that fulfills the requirements of designer activities and the programmer functionalities as well. That is called jQuery, where the designer is giving more animations on the page, where the programmer will easy to understand and he making the animations and more in a programmatical way by using the jQuery will helps. I hope you are aware of what is jQuery. We'll see exact what is jQuery in next lecture. Thank you.